Hello, my friend. You're welcome to today's video. I welcome you. Okay. In today's video, I want to teach you a strategy that can help you to be profitable in the market. Okay. Basically, this strategy is used for swing trading. Okay. It's used for swing trading. So, without wasting much of your time, we're going to go into the business. Let me teach you exactly how the strategy work. If you are new in my channel, please, I beg you to subscribe, like the video, so that we can extend the community. Okay, guys. So let's go over to the business of the day. So this strategy, what you are needed only is your horizontal line and your vertical line. So every other thing you are seeing in my screen is going out. Okay. So we're pulling out every other thing out. So this is what you have, so that you can view clearly, so that you can have a very clear view of what you are doing. So the only thing you need is your horizontal line and the vertical line. So firstly, we are going to do it with a horizontal line. Okay. So guys, what you need to trade this strategy is just to identify a place of support and its ranging. When I say that the market is ranging, I mean that the market go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, come down. Okay. It can be continuously for a moment. Okay. That's what I mean by ranging. Okay. So if you don't know about market structures, you can check one of my previous videos. Okay, to go to know what is a market structure. That's not for this video now. This video is going to be specifically how to use your horizontal line and your vertical line to win trades. Okay, guys. So let's okay. Let's scroll on our chart. This I'm doing is what is called backtexting. Okay, you can backtext as possible as you can. Okay, guys. So we'll zoom in 3x, looking for an opportunity. Okay, we're already seeing one presently looking at us here. So is to use the horizontal line to identify your list support and resistance. Okay, so I have one up here. Okay, I have my resistance up. I have another one down here. Okay, guys. So you can see this. So this is one thing you must know about this strategy. If it is not there, it is not there. If it is not there, it is not there. Do you see that? So what are you going to do since you've been able to identify your place of support and resistance? So at this strategy, we're going to buy support and sell resistance. Okay, guys, and we're not just going to do it ordinarily. It's not when you see a support you buy, when you see a resistance you buy. No, there are things that you're going to do. There are things that you're going to note to be sure that truly that is going to reverse. Okay, because you can buy support and the support will be broken. You can buy resistance and the resistance, you can sell resistance and the resistance will be broken. Okay, and turn to support. So that is why you have to be very, very careful, and you have to follow the instructions, okay, of this strategy in order to use it to make profit. So guys, I'm going to show you how you're going to use it right now, and after that, I'm still going to show you how you take your profit. I'm still going to show you how you can set your stop loss if it's against you. Okay, there is no strategy that is 100% win, but this strategy is 95, 96, 99% win rates. Okay, guys, only if you use it very well, only if you can patiently allow it to occur without gazing it. As you can see, when I draw my support and resistance, I did not gaze. Once you scroll in your chart, okay, if there is a support and resistance, they will appear. Then you identify it with your horizontal line or vertical line, depending on the type of horizontal. So let me show you how you trade this strategy. Okay, guys. So having identified our support and resistance, what are we going to do? We're going to zoom out. Okay. Now we have zoomed out. So when you zoom out here, okay guys, this is where the trend started. The market came down and broke this very support and turned it to resistance, then came down this very place and formed support. Okay, look at it here. The market came down. Okay, that's just a double confirmation that the market is going up again. But that's not our aim. So our aim now is how do we use this our support and resistance to trade. Okay, so now look at this, guys. You will discover that when the market came down to this very place, it was coming down with a very big bearish candles, but getting closer to this very support, the candle started being tiny. Did you? The market started coming down. Boom, candles. At least you can see three. Okay, now coming close to the place of the support, started giving us little candles. Okay, so whenever you see this occurring close to a support or resistance, watch it closely. Okay, it's gonna be a buy, but that's not the only confirmation, but this is one of the key confirmation. So whenever you see price approaching a place of support or resistance and the price started getting tiny, to that very place of that support or resistance, watch out, the market is going to reverse. So that's number one thing that's number one confirmation. Then the second confirmation, guys, is whenever price gets to that very place of support or resistance and gives you a rejection candle. The rejection candle can be in form of shooting star, it can be in form of bullish engulfing candle, bearish engulfing candle, it can be in form of hammer, so on and so forth. So these are the two key points that you need to note. Okay, so whenever the price starts getting tiny, closer to the support or resistance, number one confirmation. Number two confirmation, once price reach to the place of support or resistance and gives you a bullish engulfing candle for a support and a bearish engulfing candle for resistance, note that the market is going to go high. So if you close this place, guys, you see what the market did. After the tiny candles, it came here and gave us a strong bullish engulfing candle. So guys, after you see this bullish engulfing candle, you don't need any other confirmation. Enter your trade. You can backtest this very strategy. I'm telling you, this strategy is used to catch swings. You use it to catch swings. You don't use it to ride trend. No, you don't use it to ride trend. Use it to cut swings in the market. Is basically used for scalping. So if you're a scalper, okay, or you're a kind of swing trader, this is for you. I think this is best for you. It's gonna benefit you if you study it very well and practice it. So now I'll still give you another key point. Okay, so let's see what happened. So when the price, and also I'm gonna teach you how you're gonna set your stop loss so that you don't get caught out. I'll still tell you where you take your profits so that you don't watch the market reverse back. Okay, so once this has occurred and you entered your trade, guys, at this very place, the market went up and do a kind of stop hunt, okay, to the same level of support. Then what happened next? Price move. Price move and move and move and get back to our resistance. Guys, did you see that? Now getting to our resistance, you still notice the same movement that occurred here. When price started getting closer to here, it gave us big candle. Then and now gave us 1, 2, 3 tiny candles before it gets to our resistance up there. Now getting to our resistance up there, it still gave us another bearish engulfing candle. You see the bearish engulfing candle there, guys? The red candle there, that is very bearish. So once that occurred, two confirmations, guys, you enter your trade there. When you enter your trade, what happens? Boom, price started coming down until it gets our support at this very level here. You see it down there. Okay, so now you can still notice that closer to that our very support, price started giving us tiny candles, and boom, so we had a shooting star confirmation candle at that very point here. You can see that, guys. So this strategy works perfectly well. The only thing is for you to understand it and understand how to use it. Apply the principles. Okay, you must see tiny candles approaching the support or resistance firstly. Secondly, you must have a confirmation candle telling you that price is going high. Now it has been confirmed. Okay, guys, so now as this occurred at this very place, now let's see what happened. Yeah, after this one occurred here and we entered, see what happened. Now, guys, see what you're going to benefit from this video, which is very important. I'm going to teach you, right, where you can stop loss so that you don't get caught out easily. Because as approach this very place right now, currently in the market. Okay, now after entering the trade, price started going. Now it has broken this very resistance up here and go up. You see where it went and started coming down again. Now it retested it and it's coming down again. So how do you set your stop loss such that even if it goes as it is going now, a bit above your entry, you don't get stopped out? Okay, because I see so many traders, they complain of getting stopped out, and after that price continue to their direction. Why? Because you know, they told you that you set your stop loss a bit above your entry. It is not that way, guys. It doesn't work that way. Okay, that is a layman's understanding of the market. So what happens? You set your stop loss 1 ATR above the support or resistance level. This is our support resistance level at this point very here. Okay, so now you set your stop loss 1 ATR above it. Okay, 1 ATR above it should be giving us, let me zoom in, 1 ATR above it should be giving us something of this nature. Let's assume this point. So let me bring in a horizontal line so that we can note it. Okay, 1 ATR above there should be giving us something of this nature. You see that, guys? So even if the market try to do a kind of stop hunt, breaking above your entry before it reverse back, you will not get caught out. You still be in the market. So that is the area where you set your stop loss, okay, while using this very strategy. Okay, guys, because sometimes there is a situation, as you can see here, price broke the support, the resistance, and go up and reverse. Now, another thing is, where do you take your profits? Okay, guys, where do you take your profits? So I will advise take your profits 1 ATR before the support or the resistance. If you short the market before the support, if you go long before the resistance. Okay, or if you are monitoring it, once price started getting tiny, okay, if you are currently watching the market and you see price started getting tiny, closer to the very support or resistance, you take your profits. Isn't that good? So isn't that strategy very simple? Now let's see if we can see many opportunities where we can use this very strategy. Okay, guys, so we are done with this very one. Let's scroll down. Let's see if we can see other set opportunities. Okay. Yeah, I think up here. So the market doesn't move in one direction. The market doesn't move in one pattern. There are different market structures. You can see this. The market came to this point here, broke the resistance range. After ranging, it go up range, retest, gave us a double top here, which is a double confirmation, came down again, go up, came down again. If you have already learned this strategy before now, believe me guys, you would have caught so many swings from these markets and you would have made a lot of money.